Hei All India Radio aizolani chanchin thar achhiar tu civil ruata Governor Haribabu Kambam Patile Health Department how to ten Healthcare Service Song Kalpui mek chu thazoka kalpui ani theidan turan soi ho Mizoram ama saberatan thingtlang skula July no pangten ei tur tha an mu theine turam malak na chu Nimin Khan School Education Minister Pulal Chanda Moral te chuan ser chi pa ahong Naktuk le naktip khian United Nations Security Council a Counter Terrorism Committee chu Mumbai le Delhi an thu khom don UK Prime Minister thar Rishi Sunak chuan a cabinet asik soi Nimin Khan Aizol Raj Bhavana Governor Haribabu Kambam Patiale Health Department Hautulu te anin koma he huna hian Health Department noya Healthcare Service sang kalpui me kani dante thazoka kalpui ani theidan turte soi ho ani Governor chuan Health Department noya malak na te chu state mi puita na thil poimo ber pakhatania tundin huna thok thokhat ma se tran lak na tur kong tam tak a ala om matia Health Department how to te chu tran la thar zel turina fuya Health Care Scheme noya in ziak lut anron pun chho na turin theitop chu angai tia soya District Hospital Chankata Specialist Dr. Datur Anwang Chupoi Ati Thusoin he harsana hi atuar tu chudam lote anni awangin arang lamachin felangayani ati Governor chuan Mizorama ramhmul dam doi siam tura malakna aom chu thati thusoya Health Department point Mizoram ramhmul dam doi siam chuak tu te chu certification an nei theinan tranpui se adu thusoya ramhmul dam doi hriat tlang lon te chu Health Department in khonkhoma Ministry of Ayush nena zirchian tura thelu turin Health Department how to te chu thurona pe bok ani Governor Haribabu Kambam Pati hawa meeting a hian Health and Family Welfare Department noya mipui hresel na tur state le central sarkar malakna lom lian deuh te PS Therlal Road kimi Principal Secretary chuan soifia Directorate of Health Services Directorate of Health and Medical Education Office of Mission Director NHM Zoram Medical College ZMC M6 le program share than khat noya malak na tur soi howania heng malak na te hian central sarkar nor ngai a omnia soin Governor chu Ministry of Health and Family Welfare lam dor pui turangen ani Chief Minister Puzoram Thangan Nimin Khan Khozol DC office sakmek le malak na dangte amhuna tloin INFA Khozol DC SP le Head of Office te baka khotlang le thlomai pol hroi du tan Chief Minister hi anlo hmuaka Chief Minister chuan Khozol District in ma son zela du sakthua soya Mizoram chu ramdang nen in ri ani awangin thenom ram ten remna le muana an nei apoimo thu po asoya Myanmar ram buai chungchanga po India ram hroi tu ten hena mala turin alo ngen to ani atia Mizoram chu remna palai ani theithua soi bok ani Chief Minister hian Khozol football field po atloa pavilion sakmek INFA martar te thana zana pangpar da bok ani Chief Minister hibial tu MLA Deputy Chief Minister Puton Luele Horticulture Development Board Vice Chairman PUF Lalnun Moya MLA ten antroi o mani Mizoram ahma saberatan thingtlang skula zero line pangten ei tur tha an mu theine tura malak na le Grassroots Level Sports Development Program GSDP chu Nimin Khan School Education Minister Pulal Chanda Maral te in serchi pa ahong serchi BRC hola zero line pangten ei tur tha an nei theina na malak na tura honna hian Minister Pulal Chanda Maral te chuan zero line pangten cho tha an mu theine tura the ages of Sri Sahitya Sai Anupurna Trust Bangalore tenen Trangkopin serchi district chu malak na masaberani donani atia Hei hijir laiten chochun andon pialama antaksale ril ruhrisel na atana malak na ani thua soi bok ani Education Department ne na tho dun na tur thuthung zia fel to angin he malak na thari ser chible na thial district a zirlaino pangsang ni veve kalpui chho chin phot ani tur thule zirlaino pangte cho thapek dan tur chu District Education how to ten ruam manna an siam tur thu Minister hian asoyani Nimin Vekhan School Education Minister Pulal Chanda Maral te chuan Ser Chief District kalpui tur Grassroots Level Sports Development Program GSDP hongboka Minister chuan National Education Policy NEP 2020 in fiamna chu eizona tlak ani awanga angai poimo awangin Sarkarin Grassroots Level Sports Development Program akalpui chho thua soya he malak na hnuai hian infiam na chi hrang ta chu Mizoram Central Somlia kalpui ani thule he program hian zirlai no pang infiam na lama talen nei thadeu te chu eizong tla ka cherpui tlin atum thua soibok ani Maro Autonomous District Council MADC Deputy CEM pu HC lalmal somas hai chuan thole ni le nimin khan ti si ami pi laki le khopai khuate tloin sarkar mun sang te INFA pu HC lalmal somas sai chuan mararam zirna mason na angai poimo awang le mararam zir tir tu le school building te amit ngeya muwa NFA adu thu soin zirna in ma son zel theina nu le pa VC NGO zirtir tu tele zirlai te taimak chua angaya ni atia zirna thiam na tel lovin ramin ma ason theilawani ti soin theitop chua turina somani heng khuwa atlo na te hian zirtir tu omzat le school mamo le an harsana theute soipuin a theiang to ka chanpui tum thu a hril ani Champhai District Chess Association le Mizoram Chess Association Trangkop Buasai 22nd Mizoram Open Chess Championship 2022 chu Health and Family Welfare Board Vice Chairman Dr. Z.R. Thiam Sanga MLA chuan Nimin Khan ahong Champhai Karot Vanla Loma Indoor Stadium ahun mana Dr. Z.R. Thiam Sanga chuan chess churil ru thuak le ngai tuana sor bing chunga khelthin rilru le ngai tuana soi na thatakani atia infiam na buat sai hau tak lo le sumsen ngai tamlo ani le zel na chu rem changa ti thu soin hun ol man thatnan le rui hlo le thil dang nun hruai kholo theila ka changa fi hlim thei tura pui tu tan mana poimo ani ati 22nd Mizoram Open Chess Championship 2022 a hian chess khel thiam Mizoram mun sang atangin All India Chess Federation AICF noin ziak lut mi somli panga vel antel theya zirtop ni thleng hian round 7 manga in el tour ania tuntum hi Champhai Mizoram Open Chess Championship tum ni athenna ani chanchin thar hi All India Radio aizola tanga puanani naktuk le naktip October ni somni pariat le ni somni pakwa khian United Nations Security Council a Counter Terrorism Committee chu Mumbai le Delhi an thukhom dona he thukhoma hian thupuetan firfia ka chet na atanga tunlai man ruale thiam na thar man do le ti man ani donani abik taka thukhom an ko hi Mumbai a Hotel Taj Mahal Palace naktuk ni somni pariat khian tran ani dona he thukhom hi tluang tlam tak le firfia ka chet na tuar to te tor puina atan bultran ani ang Counter Terrorism Committee thukhom hi naktip inrini khian dalia chunzom ani anga heta hian khun khan deu zokin thupui lam hoi chai chho ani don ani Himachal Pradesh Assembly in thantura chu tumte hming thelu chu voin hian endikani dona chu tumte tani somni pakwa inrini thleng khian in nu do le thei ani Chief Electoral Officer CEO Manish Garg chuan Himachal Pradesh Assembly in thantura hian vote nei nuai somnga panga singkua sang ni le zariat somni pariatanom thua soya anjinga nuai somni pasari sing thum sang sari le zariat somli panga chu meichia annia mi pavot nei nuai somni pariat sing riat sangli le zakwa somli panga anom thua soya midang somthum pariat chu nikop annia hengmi te hian in thana vote an thak thei tur thu CEO chuan asoyani Himachal Pradesh hi November ni sompani khian anin thangdona Election Commission chuan in puacha na akal pui mek ani Indian Coast Guard ICG te chuan Sitrang cyclone in anwai nu Bangladesh sanghamantu somni an chan chuak Indian Coast Guard te hian sanghamantu te hi October ni somni panga an chan chua thu social media laman posa Bangladesh sanghamantu te hi anlong apel nuwa engtin tinemo nola anin hamtanga mizon le chan chua na thoktu Indian Coast Guard thona chuan azumuwa chan chua anitani UK Prime Minister Thara Rishi Sunak chuan a cabinet asik soya Jeremy Hunt chuan Chancellor achel chunzoma Prime Minister kal chuakta Liz Truss ni som pakhat kalta Chancellor tura arwat to ani Ben Wallace chu Defense Secretary tan ruat non ania kumsang ni som pakwa July thla tang khan a hna he lo chel to a Liz Truss sarkara le tuna po hian achel chunzom le ta zelani Dominic Raab chu Deputy Chief Minister tan ruat ania Suella Braverman po Home Secretary tan ruat non ani Penny Mordaunt po House of Commons leaders atan ruat non ania Prime Minister Tharin cabinet asik soya hian India chul chuak British Minister Alok Sharma chuan a cabinet ni na achan thung ani Boris Johnson a kai zaveng turin omtak ni thin Jacob Rees-Mogg chuan Business Secretary ani na ban sana Brandon Lewis chu Justice Secretary a atla thabok James Cavalry chu Foreign Secretary tan ruat non ania hedin hunain September tha mai khan Liz Truss khan aloda a Rishi Sunak cabinet a hian Simon Hart chu Chief Whip tharatan ruat ania Wendy Morton athak ani chanchin tharpuan ti top mai chanchin tlang pui Governor Haribabu Kambam Patiale Health Department how to 10 Healthcare Service sang kalpui mek chu thazo ka kalpui ni theidan turan soi ho Mizoram Ahma Saberatan Thingtlang Skula Zirlaino Pangten ei tur than mu theina turam malak na chu Nimin Khan School Education Minister Pulal Chandamaral te chuan ser chi pa ahong naktuk le naktik khian United Nations Security Council a Counter Terrorism Committee chu Mumbai le Delhi an thu khom don UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak chuan a cabinet a sik soi chu ti jong chu chanchin thar kan puan thei chu ani